easily. I hope everyone is doing great. Thanks for joining our webinar. I'm Sadia Sharif, your host. I'm from the business development team, and today we're going to talk about one of our groundbreaking products, Midform. Before that, let me introduce our co-host Amina, who will be showing you guys how to create awesome forms using Midforms.
Thanks, Sadia, for welcoming me here and giving me the chance to talk in front of our awesome audience. So, hello everyone, this is Amina Ahmed, creative content writer at WPmet. Today, I'll be your co-host for this webinar. I will talk about platform, will show you lots of awesome demos of platform along with lots of other stuff.
I'm really happy to have you here, Amina. Viewers, stay tuned for a special offer, discount offer on Midform and other products of Wpmet. We're going to talk about this shortly. Before, I want to add that over 100,000 plus websites are currently using Midform, which is a huge achievement for us. And so, Amina, what do you think makes Midform so special?
I think, Sadia, the specialty of platform is this formula is highly flexible for any website. And on top of that, you will find lots of pre-built templates like that. You can create any type of form within a few minutes. And you find you can do everything from scratch with .NET form. I think that is the main reason that Netform has reached 100K active installation. And yeah, that's a huge achievement for Netform.
Okay, that's great, Amina. So, Amina, we all know that that Metform is continuously updated and new features always comes up. So, I have heard that they recently added Fluent Form integration. Could you please share with us some of the features or updates that Metform might bring in the future?
Yes, Nadia, in the future, Netform will come up lots of advanced features like SMS integration, then improve Upwork integration, then conversational form, survey form easy, digital download, and so on. And trust me, Nadia, these advanced features will going to streamline your form building experience better than ever.
Now, let's see what you can build with Metform. Amina will show you guys how to create awesome forms using Metform.
Yes, Nadia, now I will show you how to create a contact form with Netform. And you know, it is a very essential form for any website. So first of all, I need to share my screen. Let me share my screen first. I think everyone can see my screen. Okay, first of all, you need to visit your admin dashboard. Then you need to create a new page. For creating a new page, you need to click this add new option. Then you need to click this edit with elementor button. It will directly lead you to your elementor dashboard from where you need to search for Midform. Okay. From here you need to search for Midform. Now you need to drag and drop Midform to this plus icon. Now you need to click this edit form button. Now you need to select this new option. Okay, after selecting this option, you will find lots of templates along with a blank template. With a blank template, you can do everything from scratch. For now, I'm using a template. I'm choosing this second one. Then finally clicking this edit form button. Okay, here comes form customization. You can customize your form from here. Just you need to click this form, click this your details field. Then you will find lots of customization option on the left side. like title, link, size, HTML tag, alignment, and so on. After doing customization, you need to click this update and close button. Now finally, you need to click this publish button. Now let's see how it looks on the front end. Here it is, Sadia. Super easy and super fast.
Yes, indeed it is. So we have seen how easily we can build a contact form is met form. Amina showed us all the details very beautifully. Now, I want to remind you guys that you who are watching this video are getting a special discount offer. We're gonna talk about that later. Before, I'm very sure that you guys are super curious about the other types of forms that you can build with Medform. So Amina will be showing you guys all the demos of other forms that you can build with Medform.
Yes, Sadia, you can build different types of form with Nextform. Let me show you some of the demos. Then again, I need to share my screen. Let me do that first. I think everyone is seeing my screen right now. Okay, here is the demo of multi-step form. From this form, you can break down your long, boring form into multiple steps like this. Then you can create calculation form. From here, if you choose the package plan, quantity, then it will determine the amount you need to pay for your order. Then you can create conditional form. From this form, you can show and hide any field depending on the input of another field like this. Then you can create feedback form. And we all know customer feedback is always important. From this form, you can collect your customer feedback like this. Then you can create volunteer form. Here is the demo of this form. Then you can create booking form. Then you can create event form. And the list goes on and on. Basically, you can create any type of form with Medform, Satya.
Okay, now viewers, what do you think about Midform? Please comment down below and let us know. Another awesome thing I want to share with you guys that Medform has brought us global recognition by winning second spot at Monster Awards 2021. Among many other popular WordPress forms, people have chosen Medform to be the one of the best form builder. And thank you so much for your endless love and support. We couldn't have owned this without your love and support. Now, viewers, you guys have been waiting patiently for this while, so I'm gonna share the discount offer now. Those who are watching this webinar are getting a 20% discount on all of our products. Isn't that amazing? Okay, now let me repeat again. Those who are currently watching this webinar are getting a community 20 coupon, which is a 20% discount on all of our products. Now, viewers, let's move on to the question and answer session. If you have any inquiries regarding Medform or if this discount offer, anything, you can just comment down below and we'll be answering all of your questions. So let's see if you have any questions. So meanwhile, we can talk about Medform. So Amina, how long have you been using Medform?
For a long time, Sadia, I think for 1 year or 2 years.
Yes, that's great. Like it's super easy to use. Like all the templates are there and makes it super easy. And like there are different sorts of forms that you can build with Made from. So it's like really flexible and people can use it, and that's really great. And
Yeah, of course, Sadia. It's really great and it's super easy, super flexible. And as I was not a coder, and when I use it, I feel like it's super easy as it is Elementor supported. So I can do everything by dragging and dropping and can do any type of form by dragging and dropping. I think it is a great facility for a non-coder like me.
Wow, that's great. Like a person like me who is also a non-coder, like I don't know anything about codes, so I think Midform is a great option for us who doesn't have any knowledge in code. We'll be able to build Midform, all types of forms, and we don't have to worry about anything. And it's really saves our time and our effort, our energy, and it's like super flexible and comfortable for us. So, guys, if you have any questions, please do comment. We'll be answering. We are waiting for your questions. So please, if you even if you have done any questions to us, just drop down a hi. We'll be answering all of your questions. Okay, now okay, there are so many questions here. So okay, now we have one question that is, can I use this coupon code tomorrow? Amina, what do you think about this?
Yeah, definitely we can. In fact, we can use it now, today, also tomorrow.
Okay, so we can definitely use this code, coupon code starting from tomorrow, starting from this moment. So another person is saying hello, hi, and WPMate that communicates with friendly explanations, fighting. Okay, thank you so much for your comment. Thank you so much. We are trying to be as friendly as possible, and we are trying to explain so that you guys can understand easily. Okay. Okay, now another question. I wish there were more sample demo template forms. It still feels lacking. Yeah, it can still show you guys some demos. And Amina, I think towards the end of the video, we'll try to show more demos. Now, Jamie Williams asks, does Medform have compatibility issues with other plugins and themes? Amina, would you like to answer that?
Not at all, Sadia. Nextform is highly compatible plugin, and in fact, we have tested all the popular plugin and themes, so you don't need to worry about that.
That's great. Now, another questions. So I think this is the last question. So Jane is Jackson. Hey, so I have used so many plugins, and then they tend to slow down my website. Will Metform slow down my website as well? So Amina, would you like to answer that?
Yeah, of course, Sadia. Actually, Nextform is a lightly coded plugin, and you don't need to, and it is a highly optimized plugin, in fact, for speed. And so you don't need to worry about your website speed while using this plugin.
Now, as I said before, we can show you guys some demos, other demos. So, Amina, if you're comfortable enough, please show us a few more demos before ending this webinar.
Yeah, definitely, Sadia. We have plenty of demos on our landing page. We can show you that. Let me share my screen again. I think everyone is seeing my screen right now. Okay, we can build loan application form. Here is the demo of loan application form. You can add any field, any your desired field through this form. Then you can and build a restaurant reservation form. Here you can see the demo of a restaurant reservation form that is built with NetForm. Then you can build admission form. Here is the demo of it. Then you can build WooCommerce checkout form for your WooCommerce website. Here is the demo of a WooCommerce checkout form. Then you can build a subscribe form. Here is a demo of it. And there are lots of other forms as well. I think we will have short time. We can cover all of that. So I think you can check it out from our landing page.
Okay, I think we have a very short time. We could have shown you guys much more. Like we could have built the forums from scratch, but due to time limit, can't do that. So if you have like, if you want to know more about your forums, please visit wpmet.com. I'm saying it again. Please visit wpmet.com, and because if you want to know about our products and other products like Medform, apart from Medform, you can definitely visit this wpmet.com. There are like demos there, so you can check it out yourself. And we can always do another webinar on particularly on these fields. So thank you so much for your questions. And now I have to say goodbye because the time is already we have come to the end. So thank you for being with us, guys. And your guys are getting 20% discount on all of our products. So see you in our next webinar. So for now, bye everyone.